guys, this is Diana from Links. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce to you some of our new models, 4-wheel electric golf carts. If you want more information, then follow me, let's go. This is our brand new model, 2 seats lifted golf cart. It's equipped with a maximum motor of 7.5 kW, which means our golf carts can accelerate faster on the golf court even with a full load. This is a customized design with 2 seats with our optional choices, cooler box and sand bottles. Standard 12-inch off-road tires, aluminum alley wheel hub, which can also upgrade to 14-inch off-road tires to meet your needs. Our 10-inch LCD display is alternative to write in your brand logo as the video shows, and with a clear indication for the different gear switch, battery capacity, and lights indicators. It can also connect with the Bluetooth speaker. With the same capacity, our lithium battery weighs about 1/3 of the lead-acid battery. Less weight means less wears and tears to the golf cart. Also, lithium battery is maintenance-free. It can help lower our maintenance cost. Meanwhile, the soft closure offers more options for your clients in golf course, especially the windy day like today. It helps a lot, and you can also add your logo design on the closure. About other features and optional choices, we have like indoor lighting, indoor rear mirror, under the ambition light, extra pedals, and more. Okay, that's pretty much about today's introduction for our 4-wheel electric golf cart. If you are interested in becoming our dealer or you want more information,